Hello guys, in today's video we're going to check out the best 4K cameras of 2021. I made this list based on my personal opinion and are trying to list them best on their price, quality, durability, and more. 5. Panasonic Lumix G9. This isn't Panasonic's most video-centric camera. See the Panasonic GH5S and GH5 above, but the Lumix G9 is a fantastic all-rounder for stills and video, particularly thanks to a recent firmware update in November 2019. This added pro-friendly treats like 10-bit 4:2:2 video capture to some already tasty video credentials, which included the ability to shoot cinema 4K video at a smooth 60 FPS frame rate. The G9 also boasts superb in-body image stabilization that equates to 6.5 extra stops of exposure, as well as two US2 SD card slots. It's also weatherproof, great to handle, and boasts a wealth of stills-focused features, including a burst mode that shoots at 20 FPS with autofocus and an astonishing 60 FPS without. Overall, we think it's Panasonic's best all-round mirrorless camera. 4. Sony Alpha A6400. The A6400's lack of in-body stabilization and headphone jack may make it seem under-equipped when it comes to video recording. But its excellent image quality, smooth motion, impressive levels of detail, most importantly, its superb, highly advanced autofocus setup go a long way towards making it a contender for most accessible 4K camera around. The autofocus, which includes excellent real-life eye and face tracking, takes a lot of the work out of both video and stills work, particularly if you're frequently shooting other people, or yourself. Sony's A6600, the step-up model in the range, keeps much of the A6400 specs and features but adds in-body stabilization, a headphone jack, and longer battery life. We'll be reviewing that soon to see if it's worth the premium, but for now the A6400 is our pick from Sony. 3. Panasonic Lumix GH5S. While it can shoot stills quite happily, although at a pretty limited 10.2 MP resolution, this should be seen first and foremost as a video camera. If you want to do both, you've got the Lumix GH5 to fill that brief. While the absence of built-in image stabilization might be a disappointment for some, that issue aside, the breadth of video features is incredibly impressive. If you want to shoot broadcast quality footage, you won't find a better video-focused camera right now. 2. Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K. If you want the best camera to shoot 4K videos, then this is it. Blackmagic's Pocket Cinema Camera 4K is designed for filmmakers through and through and is not something to consider if you're looking to shoot stills as well. Based around a micro 4/3 sensor and lens mount, it features a huge 5.0-inch touchscreen, it head and shoulders above other MFT shooters from a video-centric operational point of view. 1. Sony A7S III. The Sony A7S III is almost definitely the best hybrid camera. It keeps resolution low and caps the output at 4K, as opposed to the 6K, 8K capabilities of some other models. As well as stunning output, up to 120 FPS shooting for super smooth recording, there's a host of other highlights on offer here too. There's the ability to capture 16-bit RAW over HDMI, plus a full-sized HDMI port, a stunningly high-resolution viewfinder, and a fully articulating screen with an improved touch interface.